Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be Mahindra XUV 500. I have done already test drive video, so please check that. So this button for that, and this is a W6 variant and very nice. It's older generation. I think it's a second generation vehicle of XUV. And so first is first, let's open the engine boot. Very heavy boot of engine, very heavy. I can't handle single. Mahindra 140 logo here. This, see the engine, very nice 2200cc engine this is, and fully completely packed, and it's a pushed out to the cabin of engine and installation on the boot. So everything fixed, but this engine boot is very heavy now, and battery placement is here. Very nice packed and clean finish. I like that. Oh my god, very heavy. My hands are going up. So first is first, Mahindra logo at the center, and see the tiger. It's a tiger finishing of grill at the front, as Mahindra said from the first generation, and very plastic overall grill finish on the plastic other side at the front. And coming to the headlights, see the projector setup and turning lights, cornering lights setup here, and this is for high beam setup of bulbs, and these are for indicators are bulbs, and huge setup of headlight. I like the setup of the headlights in this car, and this is off the market golden sun dash card, and this is a number plate placement, and there you can see the treatment at the front. Very nice treatment, excellent look, and see the 6-spoke of the grill peaks and very sharp finishing, and huge car, I can say, very nice. And see the treatment on the engine boot, how sharp it has made Mahindra. Very nice with that look, exactly the power, we can say the tiger finishing of the engine, of the design, we can say, of XUV 500. And fog lamps are very lower side. Here you can see there are the fog lamps exactly positioned, but at the night time I don't know how the view it will be, so sorry for that. I will do that test. And coming to the wheel side profile, so this is off the market alloy wheels, 5-spoke star alloy wheels, so it's not Mahindra wheels. And see the disc size, massive disc size. How the rim size is there, obviously that much of disc size is there. And the profile of the tire is 235 65 17 inches tires. Massive tire, 235 is massive tire of the profile, we can say. So it's a perfect XUV size tire, I can say. So coming to here you can see the footrest, and also off the market of footrest, and nice finishing on the footrest. And coming to the side mirror, very nice, and see the windows very large enough and airy feeling in interior. And see the spoilers at the upside, and it is in the white color now, and nice treatment. And this is a look of side, very nice. And coming to the C-pillar, here you can see the plastic treatment on the C-pillar, 3 partitions in the C-pillar, and nice treatment. That is also nice piano finishing on the plastic, and see in the C-pillar. Coming to the tail light, there you can see the tail light, and see the treatment of Mahindra done as compared to older generation of Scorpio which has been taken. So in Scorpio it will be from down to up, but in this it has been done only half. And now in new generation it has been changed. This is the older generation vehicle, and W6 is a variant. And here you can see the bulbs on the tail light, and indicators, reverse parking bulb, and again one dummy, and I mean reflector it is. So this is a rear profile of the Mahindra XUV 500, and Mahindra badge here, and wiper, see the spoiler upside and reflector in that, and also lights, and Mahindra written here. So number plate placement is there, and again the same treatment here also continued at the 5 spokes. So 5 like design, I don't know exactly that. And see the reflectors, very nice design, and this is also off the market crash card. And this is a fuel lid of vehicle. Let's open the boot and see. So this is a boot size, and now the third row seats has been folded. I have done today only, I have joined the gym and we done workout here only. It's very tough task to keep the seats up, and very difficult. And now you can see the boot, there is no boot size at all only. So there you can see the jack and some spare parts too. After folding a third seat only you will get the boot. There is no boot at all, so nothing will fit in that. And spare wheels is under the body. So here you can see that this is a spare wheel, so I can't the size of the spare wheel now. So very difficult task I did. See the closing the boot, how much heavy it is. And let's go to the rear seat and see. This is a rear seat of XUV. So there you can see the bottle holder and magazine holder at the rear door, and this treatment is very nice plastic finishing, but the design which have been made out to the doors opening is very nice. And see the holder of the door, very nice grab finishing, and power window in chocolate treatment. This interior is chocolate and cream treatment mixed, and I like the treatment. And from here you can see the dashboard play. So this will be a dashboard like this. And coming to the rear third row, so this is the third row seats. So these are the third row, and one plus point is adjustable of headrest, very nice. I can't take risk to go to the third row now because it is very difficult task. I can't do now. Normally I have done workout of opening these third row seats. So they from here only I will be shown, sorry for that. And there you can see the AC vents, and there you can see the magazine holder and bottle holder, and there you can see the AC adjustable of third row. So this is the AC vents of third row, and these seats are only for child. There is not for adults, so it's very difficult to travel of adults also in very long journeys. Short journeys it will be easily maneuvered. And these are the handles at the third row, and same treatment again, AC vents. That treatment is very nice on these seats, very nice, cream and chocolate color. I like the treatment. And see the space, there is no under thigh support, no. Two people can easily sit, adults, and no under thigh support, not at all expectations. And coming to the second row, here you can see the second row. So under thigh support is nice, and somewhat lacking, not so nice also. And knee room is very nice, scooped out seats and plastic finishing of front driver seat and passenger co-passenger seat. And AC vents are in B pillar, AC vents given by B pillar for second row, and this is for magazine holder. And at the center you can see one light, white color LED, nice treatment, and holders there, handle holders. So overall again there is one more light, and again on that side also again one more light. And see the finishing of up, cloth finishing is very nice. I like the treatment of the cloth. And these are the seats of second row, 40-60 splitted seats. So when you fold this seat, you can go from second row to third row from here only. So comfort is very nice, and the cushion is also very nice. See the design, the way which has been done from XUV is very nice treatment on the seat covers, and color of the seats also very nice. And here you can see the center armrest with twin cup holders. Cup holders are very nice treatment and nice finishing. So it's in chocolate color, and 3 adjustable headrest at this third row. I like the treatment, thumbs up for that. So yeah, thumbs up for that. And 3 headrest for adjustable, and for second passenger, AC vents. And so here you can see 12 volts charging socket, very difficult to see. Yeah, it's a 12 volts charging socket that's given here for second row. So this is the second row. Let's go to so it's a body on frame car. Obviously it's a flat now. 3 people can, 3 not, if a thin people, 4 people can easily travel, Indian people. And 3 people can easily travel for long journeys. And let's go to front and see what are there. Very difficult task. So getting to the here you can see the XUV 500 patch in blue color light, Indian ambience lighting. And so here you can see the bottle holder and magazine holder, and again one bottle holder. Lot of bottle holders can handle here. Power windows here, chocolate color finishing, side view mirrors adjustable, and detail you can see there is light treatment on the door handle. Yeah, so red light finishing on the door handles. So speakers, and there is no tweeter. It's a older generation car. And let's increase some fan speed. First center armrest. Oh my god, what see the center armrest, how it has been made, done very nice treatment. Very build quality is very nice. I like the treatment on center armrest. Very build quality is very nice. Again here you can see the AC vents on the center armrest. Cool, so cool box of drinks, you can be cool from here. And you can adjust this center armrest for front. Yeah, here you can see the center armrest can adjust front for comfortable. And from here you can see the twin cup holders. Here you can see the gear lever. On the gear lever the indications of gears have been gone now. And here you can see the to keep some toll receipt space, very nice covered. And wood finishing is very nice. How it has been made, the design you see, what a design. See the complete row, there is no cut in between that, and brown wood finishing, and I like the treatment of that. And here you can see the hazard light switch and start stop button on off here, and co-passenger seat belt on off button, and brightness and here adjustable here. And coming to auto climate control, this is auto climate control. The AC vents is somehow I think the AC is coming less now, and because it's an older generation vehicle, it has been decreased now. Servicing also is not. Coming to the audio system, this is very small touchscreen. I think 4-inch touchscreen this is. So it's not a touchscreen, it's a small display of instrument. Yeah, it's touchscreen. No, it's not a touchscreen, and it's a 4-inch display of digital meter, and very nice. And here you can see the menu, list, source, infotainment menu, Bluetooth setup, turning, etc., Bluetooth settings, etc. So radio, infotainment, mute, in infotainment system, average, mileage, etc. Information given by ear only, and source radio, and this is for volume adjustable button, and very nice big grab. And here you can see again one small glove box to keep the space and someone's mask. And coming to other side, there is again one more glove box at the upper side, and nice finishing inside, woolen finishing. And coming to down, a big size of glove box, and inside you can see one LED light and partition inside the glove box. A nice treatment, and all the documents will be fixed in it. There are almost 3 glove box in the on the dashboard, because the dashboard is huge. Because what to do, Mahindra has think that to give a glove box over all the vehicles and overall vehicle. And there you can see the finishing of door, very nice treatment, and no auto dimming inside, very disappointing me, and no sunroof at all at this price segment. At the V10 model it will get sunroof, and this is off the market video system, so I don't want to open now. At these are white LED lights, nice treatment, and this is for sun blind. So no, it's a glass blind, I can say. And other side you can see sun blind, very nice treatment. And here you can see the sun blind, and it's adjustable of extent of sun blind. So nice treatment of that. No mirror offer on this side, passenger side, and there is mirror with a light on co-passenger side. There is no mirror with the driver side, and it's a extend of sun blind. Here you can see the extendable of sun blinds. And overall nothing to say in this older generation vehicle. It's a basic variant of W8 variant, and this is a steering of Mahindra XUV 500. Very nice grab finishing. I have done already test drive vehicle of this Mahindra XUV 500, so if you want, please check this side. So yeah, there it will be a Mahindra XUV test drive 500. And the instrument cluster, here you can see nice sporty feeling of 2 round sports treatment, like football treatment at the instrument cluster. And there you can see that small digital meter in the instrument cluster, and this is the speedometer, this is the RPM meter, and again a small digital meter and fuel gauge, etc. Controls on the steering, these are for audio control, these are for instrument cluster, and these for cruise control, etc. And this is a manual vehicle of diesel variant of XUV 300. 2.2 liters of diesel engine this is, and this is a walkout. And from here you can see the rear seats, very nice feeling, and color of the seats treatment is very nice, I like that. And this is a rear seat from the front, and this is a dashboard. And overall nothing to say much. And this is a key placement of XUV 500 with the key. There is no keyless entry. And on the other side, these are the buttons for fuel, and these are for high beam and low beam of light level, and this is for speedometer, this is for brightness of speedo instrument cluster, and etc. So overall AC vents design is very nice, unique design, and I like the design of treatment of AC vents. And overall this is the walk around and interior video of XUV 500. If you want to check test drive video of XUV 500, so yeah, here is the I button, please press that. And for if you like the video, please like, share to your friends, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.